Hey, this is Mike in the Film Lab on thesubstream.com, and I am dressed up like the freaking color wizard today because I want to talk about everybody's favorite piece, technique, bit of special effects filmmaking that's not pyrotechnics, which is color keying, also known more technically as chroma keying. Now, if you've seen more than one movie made in the past 70 years, or ever watched a meteorologist predict the weather future on TV, or even watched, now it's even in professional baseball on TV, you've seen color keying in effect, even if you didn't know what it was. Now, what we do when we color key things is we shoot something like we're doing now, and then later on during the post process, we tell the computer to look in our image and find all of the pixels that are there of one specific color, or more accurately, all of the pixels of a very narrow range of shades of that one color. And then the computer, using computer science magic, turns all of those pixels transparent, completely clear. Seriously. Okay, so watch this. Pinks, get out of here. Okay, pinks, come back. Now blues, you bug off. Okay, now blues come back. Now I'm sick of all the yellows. Get out of here, yellows. Okay, yellows, you can come back. Finally, greens. I've had it up to here with you, greens. Get out of here. Once you have these areas of transparency in your image, it's a short logical leap to being able to do something relatively cool, which is if you have your image with a little window in it, a see-through area, if you composite, which is a fancy filmmaking word meaning put, two images together with one image behind your first image that has transparency, parts of that first image will show up through the transparent part of the first image. Of course, in a shot like this, it's pretty much useless, but if we reframe a little bit, we can do something like this. Come, mystic ninjas of the Katsuruga clan, onward into the mystic forest to avenge our fallen sensei. The two most commonly used colors in the color keying process are called chroma blue and chroma green, and that's because blue and green are the colors that occur the least frequently as pigments in the human skin. If you keyed out pink or red, for example, something like this can happen. Of course, there are pitfalls in using blue and green as well. Like if you shoot outside, you can't shoot plants. And if you shoot blue outside, you can't shoot the sky, which is why chroma keying is one of those bits of technique that's equally important to concentrate on in all three phases of your filmmaking. In pre-production, when you have to plan what color you're going to use and what color the actors' costumes and props are going to be so that you don't accidentally key out a telephone. During the actual production phase, when you need to light your green or blue screen properly and make sure you're not keying out stuff like trees or the sky by mistake. And during post, when you have to use the right settings in your editing or effects program to get a good, sharp, nice-looking key. Now, those are the last two things, the production process where you have to light the thing properly and the post-production process where you have to use the right settings in your program, are things that we're going to talk about in future episodes of the Film Lab here on thesubstream.com. So check back then, when I hopefully won't be wearing this shirt. Oh yeah, greens. Come on back, greens. I'm not mad at you.